dad will hold you up. Or I'll do it so he can get the picture. Come over here. You have to kind of squeeze in here. It's not... Okay, come here. Here, put these down temporarily. Because your hands are going to have to be... Because you know what? These eggs that you're going to pick up today, you're going to eat them tomorrow. Oh, yeah. Grab the eggs. Reach in there, Gabby. Okay, I'm going to hand them to you now.
What's the matter? What's the matter, Jonathan? Come here. Come over by me.
Here you go.
He's not going to bother you.
You carry two.
I got you. You're okay. Here, hold my hand. What happened? Did he scare you? What? Oh, did he peck your finger? Let's see the eggs, Katie. Oh, look at them eggs.
Fine, fresh eggs. We're going to have some tomorrow.
Now, when did these eggs get laid, Mr. Bacher?
They got laid this morning at 3:30 p.m.
3:30
a.m.
a.m. Oh, 300 hours.
Yes.
Go ahead, Kate. You just go shoo.
Shoo, you little rabbits.
Chickens.
Chickens.
What do you say, Jonathan?
Chicken's gone and bye.
How you doing there?
What is that great?
Here. Here, Jonathan. This is my favorite right here. Oh, no. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. No, don't kiss.
That chicken. Shoo! 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 Shoo!
Just walk right by.
Shoo!
Look at those eggs. Thank you.
Here, I'll hold your hand. You're okay. Just say, you just walk right up to him and he'll get out of your way.
Shoo! Little baby. Little baby.
Katie's coming after Katie. You want that? That's Harriet. Harriet. Just go like that.